was just about to have my amazing lunch, but something just amazing happened. Come close, let me show you. You see over here, I just opened my laptop, and you can see over here, I just had my $8,000 commissions earned. As you can see over here, it's all been done with only 4 sales. So only 4 sales it took to make $8,000. Now, if you're still watching this video, and if you want to get results, then let me tell you this. I know maybe you're a newbie, maybe you don't know anything about how to run traffic, how to run paid ads, or how to get results like this one over here on my screen. But let me tell you one thing, if you have the guts, and I know you do, and smarts, and I know you do because you're watching this video right now, then what I ask you to do is simply click the link below this video. There is going to be my email and my social media accounts. So you can personally reach out to me one-on-one, ask me what am I doing, and how you can copy and paste the same method to have the same or even better results than me. Again, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.